Hey guys, my name is Halish and I'm going to presenting the subject called network design, and I'm going to present the part of our subject. It says Lux rental car network design. There are my group members Naveen and Tushita is going to represent the next of the slides. As you can see in our PPT slide, as a team, we done so many good work. First, it starts with the formations of the team. During the week 2 or week 3, our tutor formed a group of 3 people, which is me, Naveen, and Tusita. After that formation of group, we make a logical network diagram with the help of my team members, and after that we making some changes during this design. All the team members gave their full efforts. They also gave some new ideas to make out the to make our assignment with the full of effective, and that's how that our network design is created. To presenting this file, our aim is to design a network design for the Lux rental car company, which is located in Brisbane, and this company provides the cars to their customers according to their requirements. If they requires with the chauffeur as well, the company also requires that. The goal of this company is to design a network and web interface for the company. We also provide the informations about the car in the warehouse of that company to the customer so that they can check it out about it, and they can also understand that how company works and how companies satisfy their customers. It also provides security for the online payment to the customers. Their availability is based on our requirement. So we try to make a design for that company so that it can be available for the whole time. To give the informations of the rentals to the client is also a main priority to design this network. There are lots of constraints that are coming during this project. The top-down methodology is used to design the network. The web interface is also available for the clients 24/7, as I mentioned before. The response time of the company is increased by using this network design, which is also helpful for the company to interact with the customers time to time by giving them a proper update. We have some technical goals as well. This software is also used to find the locations of the car by the clients, so then company don't need to worry about the theft and fire security. There are some additional websites that are also available for the clients, so the clients cannot be asked and they are not interrupted with any kind of fake advertisement. The requirement of the in this PPT, we required the network design of that company. We need routers, switches, access points, some wireless connections, and a servers. That's how that we can network a design for the company, that all the things are uh, connected to each other and make a good network for that company, so that company can talk with their customers and satisfy their needs. The rest of the slides will going to represent by group member Naveen. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Helish. I'm going to present the next slides. Coming to the logical network design diagram. Here, BRI headline office is there. Here we have different locations of head office is there, like Brisbane, Sydney, Melbourne, and different areas are there. Coming to the router situation, routing information protocol is a distance vector protocol that uses the hop count as its primary metric, and the routing information protocol defines how the router should share the information through the switches and the firewall in the local area network. Um, Coming to it, it decides the path to the packets to get the destination of the network in the data flow and in each router broadcast. Mm, It enters into the routing table for 30 seconds to check the routers are connected directly. If the router receives an update on the router, it shorts the path and it opens the longer new path in the router. If the router crashes or a network connection is served because the router stops sending the updates to the routers and receiving the updates from the server connection. Yeah, can you move on to the next slide, please? Yeah, here it is location clearly mentioned, like in top here they mention like Sydney router, and also on the top of it mentioned like Sydney firewall. These two are interlinked with the Sydney switch. Router and firewall is interlinked with the Sydney switch. Uh, and also customer Sydney warehouse is there. They mentioned clearly about the protocols and IP address on each and every uh, every of the employee. And now the routing information of the protocol is used in the logical area network diagram, and this path is used to find the path in the router to data flow in the design. This protocol gives the gateway and network masks in the logical network diagram, and the IP address is assigned to the routers to flow data in the design. It is also used for calculating the network distance in the circuit, and the paths are uh, designed in a higher cost manner. Yeah. Next slide, please. Here they mention like office, network, subnet, mask, bit, IP address, range, broadcast address. If coming to head office Brisbane, the network IP address is 192.168.0.0. Coming to subnet mask 255.255.255.224. This mask bit is 27. IP address is this one. This is different head office having different network and subnet mask bit. Coming to the switching protocol, HTTP 101 is a switching protocol that is used in the response for the code indicator of the protocols for several switches. It transfers the hypermedia documents in the network, the clients in the rental car company, and it requires the different domain resources to transfer the data from the server to the office. So it is also useful for the security services to maintain the switching process in the logical network design, and it gets the functions of the switches to access the firewall to get the information to the servers. So this is the IP addresses and all these network and subnet mask, all these things. Yeah, move on to the next slide, please. Justification for network design diagram. The network design is created for the Luxcar Rentals company. We mainly created this one for the Luxcar Rentals company. The requirements of the company are fulfilled by the network design. Yeah, we have to mention clearly, right? Every requirement have to be fulfilled. The security is the main important, a very concern, right? The security is provided at high cost to maintain the high security. Like encryption and decryption is, they will provide encryption and addiction like this manner. So security will be the main concern here. The clients can use the new features of the web using the network. Suppose if you want the clients wants to add the new features, all these things they can use web by using this network. All the information can be viewed from the head office by using this network design, and this network connects all the wireless communication with one. Yeah, these all wireless connections are communication with these all connections are connected with the one single network. The clients can able to view the car available on their mobile device itself. Yeah. Next slide, please. Justification. Using the DMZ method, this is one of the method. DMZ method, the servers are maintained very securely. With this method, the servers are maintained very securely. So no need to do some misconception or misleading. So this is the method we can use. The client information stored by the web servers. All these client information are mentioned in the web servers. Using this network design, they can deliver the cars in quick time for the clients. So there is no delay in this all these things. Okay. From the next slides, our colleague, our teammate Tushta will explain. Thank you. Hello, Tushta. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Can
Okay. Thank you, Naveen. Protocol used by routers. Mm, Router name is BRI router. Location of the router Brisbane. Protocol suggesting R, RPI. RPI meaning routing information protocol is distance vector protocol that use the hop count as the primary metric. The routing information protocol define how the router should share the information through the switches and the firewall in the local area network. It decide the path of the to get the distinction of the network in the data flow, and each router broadcasts uh, uh, location protocol suggestion. If this kind with the protocol use the sharing information the network in this decide the path of the for the network design. Can you move the next slide? Protocol used by the switches. Switches name is BRI switches, location of Brisbane, suggesting protocol HTTP 101. Process use the require the information in the service in also use the security service in maintenance switches processes in local network design and gets function on the switches to access the firewall, get the information the service the switches send the data in one device and the transfer highly subscribe with the local network design rental car company. So the build the network design according to the function so that the information will second high cost. Can you move the next slide? Security mechanism, device name, uh, device name DM is meaning demilitarized zone. The demilitarized zone network premise network that protects the network and the extra layer of the security of the company in the local area network. It addresses the extra layer between the public and private internet connection in the due the security function of the service. The DMU set use the follow the company use the website private connection and internet connection. Reason it helps in private access quickly maintenance and design. It adds the extra layer to the security service and protect the information. The provide buffer connection between public and the private network. Can we move the next slide? Yeah. Conclusion, the network design is created the Lux car rental company. The logical network design done successfully. All the security device are there successfully. The web in fact interfact is created according to the requirement of the company. Uh, can we move next slide? This is our reference. Thank you.